going on, guys? Welcome back. We have another 2026 Lamborghini Temerario, finished in matte black. Let me know what you guys think about this color combination. You got the matte black with the orange calipers and the orange interior as well. Do you guys prefer the matte black on the Lamborghini, or do you prefer like the metallic shiny black? I know a lot of people tend to look at that matte black and they like how it has that Batman look. It's also super clean. Open it from under here. Actually, really am a fan of this interior. We typically do get a lot of orange interiors, but with the matte black, I actually think it looks very good. This car is available if you guys want to come check it out. You have the carbon fiber by where you put your windows up, and as well as carbon fiber right here where you connect your USB-C port in case you want to charge your phone. Same thing on the other side. Super cool features on this car, man. Looks super nice. Highlighter orange stands out. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. You have the carbon fiber wheel as well. Also by the engine stop button. You have also by the AC vents. Super cool, man. Super cool. Got the backup camera. Works really nice. Go ahead and put it first gear with the paddle. As you can see, there's no drive or any selection like that, only reverse, park, and manual mode. So whenever you put it on drive, you have to shift with this paddle. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna complete shooting the outside of it, and hope you guys enjoy. You got kicked out of our host, but no worries. These wheels look super nice. I love this feature about this car. You're able to see what mode you're in, how fast you're going, even the hybrid miles that you get on it. On the battery, man, super sick. Comment down below if this is one of your favorite Temerarios yet, and let me know which other one you'd like to see in the channel. We got a bunch of different colors coming soon. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hope you guys have a God bless day, and as always, be safe. Take care.